In this video, we will go over the basics of Meta Business Manager. I will show you how to create one, how to access the right account, add elements, and give access and permissions to other users. You will also understand the basic structure of Meta Business Manager. So if you find this video helpful, please show it by giving it a thumbs up. And if I forgot something, please let me know in the comment section below. So let's get started, and we go straight into Meta Business Manager. I have left a link for you for that in the info section below. This is what Meta Business Manager looks like. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that you are in the right account. You do that in the drop-down menu to the left, and you find the account you need there. So before we move forward, let's address one issue. What if you can't find your account, or the Business Manager doesn't open at all? You most likely don't have a Meta Business Manager account yet. That's very easy to set up. Let me show you real quick. You just have to click the link I left for you below that's named Overview. And here we just click Create an Account. And we have to just fill out this short form. Let's see, we write an account name. Let's call this tutorial account. We need to fill out our own name and our email. And we click the blue Submit button. We then go back to our email and confirm the ownership. So now we have to add everything to our Meta Business Manager account. And the menu to the left is the navigational menu. This is the most important menu to tell you where you are at all times. Let me show you, and we start with pages. And by pages, Meta means Facebook pages. We just click Add, and here we can choose to add a page, request access to a page, or create a new Facebook page. If you want to add a page, you add the URL and follow the steps. The same goes for the Instagram account or WhatsApp if you're using that. Under data sources, we add pixels and catalogs. But if you just made the Meta Business Manager account, you most likely don't have anything here at the moment. Under brand safety, we also have to add and confirm our domain. All of this is fairly easy to set up. Let me show you by creating an ad account. We go to the left side of the screen, and under accounts, you can find add account. Here we will write a name, time zone, and choose a currency. In the next window, we choose where we want to use this account, and we click Create. This is the window we use to add users. We will come back to that very soon, so let's ignore that for now. I recommend that you add a payment method now, otherwise you can't start running any ads until that is sorted. So let me show you how to add users to the Meta Business Manager account. And if I have sent you this video, you are most likely going to add us under partners. But if you need help with setup, I might have given you the email address, and that goes under people. So both of these methods I'm about to show you can be relevant. But let me show you partner first. We click Add, and here we paste in the Business Manager ID we or someone else might have sent you. In the next window, you can choose what you want to give access to. The partner will tell you what they need access to, and here is where you add it. This window is not easy to understand or use, but on the left-hand side of the screen, you can choose where you want to give access. It can be ad accounts, Facebook pages, Instagram pages, catalogs, and so on. In the middle, you choose the exact page or account, and on the right-hand side, you can choose how much access you want to give. You must have ticked up both boxes to be able to proceed. So now I'm going to show you how to add people, also known as adding an email address. We go to Users, People, and we click Add. In this window, it's very important that we click Admin Access if you plan to give admin access in the other windows. At the top here, we write an email address. And this window is the same as we looked at earlier. We choose where we want to give access to in the left window. We choose what we want to give access to in the middle window. And we choose how much access we want to give in the window to the right. And remember, we need to click in both of these windows to be able to submit. And when we are done, we can click Invite. The user then have to open the email from Facebook and accept the invite. You can also go to each of the individual elements and add in partners or people. If you want to change access, you can do that by going on each individual element. Or go back to people or partner under user. So that's it. That was our little speed lesson in Meta Business Manager. I hope that you found this video useful. Please show it by giving it a thumbs up. And if not, please let me know what I could have done better in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Hope you have subscribed. Bye.